For other chart, let me take pie. So if I take category wise sales, so it do allow me to make a pie chart for this. So depending on case, you can take a call. If you want to increase this pie, you can use shortcut as shift plus control plus P. So you can increase based on your need. And if you want to show your axis, you can show your axis. Even though if you think this need to be formatted, you can go in format, select the field. I'll say pan. I'll say alignment should be inside or whatever if needed. It is not applicable to this. So we'll go for numbers. I'll say it should be in percentage only. Decimal can be removed if data is percentage, because data is not in percentage for us. So I should not go for this. I'll go for currency. Let me notify this. Let me go in K only. It helped me to get a value available. Depending on case, you can drag the values if needed. You can use the font, other things are there. If you want to make it bold and all, you can utilize based on your need. So that's a case. If you say I'm also looking for category to be displayed, I can get this thing done. Let me try categories as a label. And if I go there, I do have options. Category is there. I can insert other values also. If you are dragging some other values also, let me drag sales also in label. And profit, if you want, you can drag. So if you want multiple things to be dragged on your label, you can drag it. So I said category to be in a bold, and sales the formatting is already been done. So I'll say apply. I'll say okay. So if it is spatial here, you can increase the case, and font you can decrease if it going beyond your presentable area, or even though you can set width, height based on your entire view and all to maximize the readability of this pie chart.